So here's the humidifier I ordered. It's currently running. It uses about 152 watts to 160 watts. 2 fan speeds. There's a humidity setting here you can change. So it only comes on when the humidity is high enough. Various different modes. And it's the winter here, so we don't have humidity, but I'm in the bathroom and I steamed up the shower. And let's see what we got for water. See it dripped. And it shuts off when there's some water in the tank. It's only been on for about 40 minutes. It's dripping over. One thing I wish is that our old one had a clear spot here so you can see the water level, but this one doesn't. There's also a removable filter in here. Overall, not bad.